Hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday everyone. How are you? How is your morning? I hope everyone took this long on gold because it was just textbook long. Like impossible not to take this long. You took it. Good job, sniper. Woohoo! Good job. Miss it? Oh, like we had two opportunities. I missed first entry as well. You're not alone. Still in it? I close this. Brilliant. Guys, good job who took this trade. I took continuation as well. I didn't see like first entry. I was eating my breakfast. So guys, as you can see, we're taking same setups, which means what? It works. It works. We see exactly same things, guys. This means we are doing great. On Forex? Oh no. To the 887. I entered at the 888. Same entry. Look at you. Good job. See, guys? You don't need any signals. We all see this. It's such a great feeling. Like you can see setup and you can take this on your own. Without waiting for me, for example, to confirm this or someone else. Guys, we did amazing. Well, I closed for 2.6 hour. NFP time. I don't think like we are going to have NFP today. Because it shut down. See guys, I told you. If this model is not going to work, you need to block me everywhere. Because I promise it works and you can be profitable with this. Well, guys, congratulations. We took exactly the same trade. Good morning, good morning. I mean, like bots, it may work, of course, but I'm going to explain. Let me show executions first, but I'm going to explain the reason. If you didn't see the setup, I'm going to explain why it was a trade idea. I will explain everything, why it was long here. Well, here's executions first. I got $600 on each account today. I entered continuation. I'm going to explain first entry. I'm going to explain continuation entry. And I entered with 7 micros. Today's Friday. Historically, my performance not best on Friday, but I got my money, so no complaints. Woohoo! Same step. Okay, guys, here's executions. Let me explain the trade idea. Or I can ask you questions. You're going to tell me like why it's long or short. So we want to start with stop-down analysis. And yesterday, like I just want to add something. I said I would like to look for a reversal from this 4-hour fair value gap. It was our plan. We were looking for a reversal from there. Since reversal happened around like 12 p.m., no reason to take any trades. We don't want to trade PM session. But we got expansion, right? Over here. We anticipated tracing back down to OT, then continuation higher. Just probably classic 2022 model, right? So I got this short yesterday. It was like 6-hour trade. I got this trade. I made almost $3,000 on this trade. And today I got long for $600, which is amazing. So here's the trade idea. Like it's just obvious. We hit order block over here. We retrace back to 50%. We got potential 30-minute sweep. I shorted to OT of this range. That's it. But let me explain this long. So once again, yesterday we discussed that we want to see reaction from 4-hour fair value gap. We took the short yesterday. Woohoo! Good job. Well, from this 4-hour fair value gap. So last night, around like 11 p.m., we retraced back down to this fair value gap, which is not like important, but it was OT. Okay, today, I would like to start with hourly chart, what I saw. We want to think about the right time. We want to trade between 7 and 9 a.m. Look at this hourly fair value gap. We did trace to OT, it created hourly fair value gap. We got first reaction, which was 5 a.m. Not going to work for us. We are going to wait for the right time to trade this. Well, perfect. We got SMT with silver and we got one more retest of this hourly order block. So at this point we have double sweep, 1, 2. We have SMT, right? Which means what? We're about to retrace back to premium. Back to premium, for example, to fill this hourly fair value gap over here, right? We got liquidity void. So basically liquidity void is big range fair value gap. And I was looking for the price to retrace to fill this gap. Also, we have untapped fair value gap, which I don't mind to see. So I don't mind to see higher. But since I'm going for 2R, I said like, okay, I'm going to close at 2R. So my PDR for today was hourly order block. Once again, we want to think about PDRs. It's going to be a 50-minute, 30-minute hourly, OB fair value gap, alt liquidity level. So at that point, it was hourly order block. Right. What happened next? We got potential sweep on 30-minute chart and hourly chart. Yeah, an hourly chart as well. But I use 30 minutes potential sweep. Why? Because 3-minute order block offers better and safe entry. Well, first entry is going to be a potential sweep over here. As we all know, this potential sweep must be confirmed by order block over here. Perfect, amazing. We want to enter at the open of next candle, stop loss below swing low. I'm going to aim for 2R. 2R, as you can see right at the top of hourly liquidity void. Amazing. Okay, let's say we miss this. I miss this. Like today is the case when I miss this. Well, if we miss a trade, what should we do, guys? Who knows? Who can help me to answer the question? When we miss first entry, where is our next entry? Who knows? Who can share with me? Does anyone know? New 30-minute, what next? Yes, we are going to wait for new 30-minute candle. What next? Exactly. We are going to wait for new 3-minute order block inside new 30-minute candle. That's absolutely right answer. So where's my vertical line? 8 a.m. So we are going to wait for order block right after 8 a.m. Perfect. Did we get the closure above sequence of done close candles? Absolutely. We can enter the trade. So I entered the trade at reaction because once again, I wasn't in front of my computer until like 8:20. I was like, perfect. I'm going to just enter here once price retraces to original entry. Test this original entry. So I entered, like over here at this price level. I put my stop loss below swing low and I was aiming for 2R from original entry. So I got like 2.6R. Once again, here is the executions. I had to enter here, I entered here, and I got my 2R based on original entry or 2.6R on this entry. Make sense? Did I answer your question why we entered the long? Do I hold it? Where is your target? I mean, I closed, but I can anticipate like 39.0102 level. Depends. Yeah, I mean, I would like to see higher. If you're going to trail your stop loss, you will be good. Just trail it. 15-minute order block. Let me see. I will let you know. I would say totally possible. I just don't know how big the retracement can be at this point, but totally possible. So I didn't cut any because of news, simply because I knew like we are not going to have news. No NFP because the government shut down. Exactly right. Maybe next week. Yes, untapped fair value gap can be yes. In my backtest session, I also said like I prefer to aim for untapped fair value gaps. Hello, Jack. How are you? I'm doing so good today. It's Friday. Knowing that my performance is horrible on Friday, I did amazing. Now, well, 15-minute fair value gap. We are going to wait for reaction. So reaction can be confirmed by 30-minute potential sweep or hourly potential sweep. And at this point, you're going to figure out if it's going to be 3-minute OB or 5-minute order block. Make sense? Yes, I took long. So flat day, I mean, we will see. I'm overall up, like overall combined on all profit. Like I made $3,000, almost $3,000 during Asia, and right now up $600 per account. I mean, yes, yesterday was great. I agree with you. Yes. In one account in Asia, exactly, yes. Just one account. And $600 per account, 5 accounts. TradingView and Funding Ticks. Oh, Take Profit Trader, 6 accounts. So once again, I would like to see hourly untapped fair value gap. My risk wasn't big, so I risked around like 700 last night. A bit less. I traded 2 mini contracts. With Funding Ticks, I have only 3 accounts. I'm going to scale. I just decided like I will go with 3 accounts. Once I get payout, I will buy more and so on. So I have 2 100k and 150k. So only 3 accounts. And with TradingView, I have 3 accounts as well, 2 TraderWeight and 1 Project X. With Apex 20 accounts, with Take Profit Trader 3 accounts, with my funded futures also 3 accounts. With Funded Next, 1 account. Oh, woohoo, we took exactly the same trade. Perfect trade. With Take Profit Trader, you can have up to 5, but once again, I have less. I know why. SMT indicator settings. Do you need link for indicator? Or you can find it on your own. ICT SMT by Fadia. So basically, untapped fair value gap can be strong target as well as point of reversal. What do I mean by untapped fair value gap? So untapped fair value gap fair values that we never ever touched. So it's open fair value gap, unfilled fair value gap. In some cases, we can call this breakaway gap. You cannot enter anymore. Like we are going to wait for new setup only. You'll see. Just need to wait right now. Right now, it's too late to re-enter, especially once we hit untapped fair value gap. We're gonna see. You can hold until all-time high. Totally possible to get new all-time high today. I would say yes. Earliest that I can do is 8:45 a.m. because once again, guys, I turn on my computer at 8:20, but I have lots of things to do at this time. So basically, I enter the trade and just not in front of my computer at all. I mean, I can open stream, but I'm not going to be on stream at 8:20 a.m. I can do at 8:45 only, but before this, I can just open stream, and once again, you're going to be without me there until 8:45. Maybe 8:40, but if you want this, let me like, okay. What is suspension block? I have no idea just yet. We are not going to have NFP. NFP, government shut down, so we're not going to have NFP. Maybe next week. I mean, if you want to be without me like 30 minutes, I mean, okay, it's not a problem. Yeah, ICT dropped new PDA. Water block. It will. I mean, okay. If you want, like, it's okay. Just I don't know, like, if you want this. I mean, I knew like about new video about on ICT YouTube channel. Just didn't watch this. It maybe it's solid. Dasha, please answer. Let me find your question. Dasha, need original advice. If red folder news at 8:30, then should we take trade? No. If you watch my last video, you saw in my backtest I wait for news first and then look for setup most of the time. Projections for gold. No reason to put projections. We're still holding below previous day high level. So first level is untapped fair value gap, which may offer reaction. Next level is going to be all-time high. Yeah, because of government shutdown, you're not going to have NVP. Depends, you know. Like I remember in 2019, it was for 30 days. They were trying to decide the budget. 35 days or so. Let's see how long it's going to be this time. I hope it's not going to be more than 1 week, but as you can see, market reacting like it's extremely bullish news. I don't know. Which is stupid, right? $13 days. It trades. I got your point. It's okay. Of course, of course. Okay, 13 days. No NVP today, guys. So I believe gold going to take all-time high again. Will you do London sesh? I don't trade London at all. I have no idea what time setup works or not. Like really, guys, I'm not even sure it works at this time, as well as PM session. Did you mail codes? Guys, I was so busy yesterday. I forgot to send this last night. I will send you today. Actually, let me open. It's just 5 accounts. Give me 1 second. Maybe I will do this right now. We are waiting for market to open. 1 second. Maybe I will send accounts right now. It's TradingView, right? 1 second. I might do this right now. Gmail. Perfect. Write email. I will do this, guys. I will do this. I just opened Gmail, so I will not forget this. I will do this just later. So you'll be able to trade this on Monday. Okay, guys, let's focus right now a little bit on gold. So as you can see, we're trading above... trying to break above our untapped fair value gap. So this means we can just get like immediate move to previous day high level. So let's see if it's going to retrace once market opens to give me another entry. I explain my trade so you can rewatch this after stream. But let's see if it's going to offer some opportunity to enter the trade again. So I will enter on my Project X. You could get for our, I mean, yeah, of course. We have news at 10. We're gonna see, Alan, we're gonna see. No, you don't need to pay for activation fee. It's free. Like somewhere here. I don't mind. Like retracement and long. PMI dropped. Okay. Then nothing. Okay, got it. Then just Friday, like regular Friday. Let's do top-down analysis for yes and Q. Yes, I expect to get the retracements and 3-minute OB long to get all-time high on Friday. Maybe on Friday. Yes, target, like ideally, let's say, let's imagine, obviously we don't know, like retracement, 3-minute OB, I am in long again to try to aim for previous day high level. Maybe something like this. Like, yeah, hourly fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, it's same area. I will long this again, but after retracement. I only took one trade this morning, a long. I'm waiting for another long, but not from current price level. Well, guys, let's do the analysis on ES and NQ. ES was good yesterday, you know, like on TradingView TV, I was looking for longs. Overall, wasn't bad at all. Well, let's see what level we are going to aim for today. Previous day high taken on both ES and NQ. Guys, what do you think? Like, can we get retracement back down to 972? Will it be possible to get retracement like 50 points down? So as you can see, we took previous day high level. I don't want to get a drop like this. Maybe I'm asking for too much. Like this. It's only... It's not 50 points away. It's 150 points away, right? Why I said so. Can we get TGIF, guys? Would like to see lower. Let's put TGIF indicators here. Where's TGIF? It's approaching TGIF right now. Well, would like to see more than TGIF then. TGIF and PM. Not quite sure. Like, we can get AM session. Like, most of the time we can see TGIF during AM session. So, well, we're looking for TGIF if low or high of the week was made on Friday. So we got new high of the week today. We can get retracement down. But indicator TGIF, just Jessica, just type TGIF, TGIF, and you're good. But if I will see stop, it's going to be on yes once again. I'm not friend with NQ. What is TGIF? Is 20-30% retracement. So yeah, ICT has video about this. By who? Let me send link. Guys, every single indicator I use is free. Just change the color. Here's the settings I use. Thanks God it's Friday. Yes, exactly. So Asia today is not going to work. Market is going to close at 5 p.m. It's going to reopen at 6 p.m. SMT, 1 second, I'm going to show you. So once again, we're approaching TGF right now on ES and NQ, which makes me feel like, yes, we need deeper retracement down. And on gold, micro gold, would like to see all-time high, but after retracement back down to, I would say, 95, 93 area, which probably will not happen because But let's see if it's going to retrace for us to long again. How you mark correct order block. I'm going to record a new video about this. Strategy for gold. I have video about this on my YouTube channel. Let me send you link. Scroll all the way down. Guys, everything available on my YouTube channel. Every single setup, projections, I know, like intraday bias and so on. This video will help you to trade same setups that I trade. Oops, oops, oops. How to open this? All right. Okay. On Q, want to see previous day low level. I will stay with my opinion. Yes, I would like to see previous day low level as well, but preferable to take 972.75 and 67.39. That's my key areas for today. Would like to see a lower on NQ, slightly lower, like 150 points lower. So ICT has YouTube channel. This video on his YouTube channel, how to trade TJIF. I don't have a video about this on my YouTube channel because it's like pretty much straightforward, like nothing to record here. You're bullish on NQ. I mean, everyone bullish on NQ, but what I would like to see is maybe new high, you know, like something like this. Would you consider entry? No. I would like to see this scenario on gold. Maybe you can make short video about it, like shorts, right? Yeah, by the way, I can. It's going to be like 1 minute video. This can be an idea, by the way. Once again, totally possible to get like 39.02 and reversal, but no, I would like to see after market open it retrace down to 30-minute fair value gap, and then we'll look for long at this point. At least I will try to look for longs. First sweep, look for short. I mean, okay. Nothing to short yet. As you can see, we got pretty much just straight move up. You need to be really careful because I believe shorts, like, let's say it's not going to take all-time high today. Everything possible. Shorts possible below 30-minute fair value gap. Let's short all the way down to New York midnight open then. Just for me, you know, like, I'm pretty much conservative and picky with my entries. Personally, I don't see shorts yet. Once again, for scalp, maybe. Like, overall reversal, not really. You know, like, I don't scalp for 1-2 points. I scalp for, if I scalp like for 5, 6, 7 points. How can I take scalp? I don't know. Like, I'm not perfect scalper for 1-2 points. Can you give? I'm not scalper, so hard to say. I already told you my plan. I will look for long from this area again to aim for all-time high. Below 30-minute fair value gap, longs invalidated. Short right now, I mean, like, yes, I anticipate to get moved down, but I personally don't see shorts yet. That's what I'm talking about. Like, market does not care what I want to see, right? Like, absolutely doesn't care about this. No model, no entry. So trying to trace down, let's see if it's going to take this 30-minute fair value gap and we can get trade. Let's see what we have on ES and NQ real quick. Just trying to eject from hourly order block so far, which is fine, but TJF could be better, honestly. So once again, we're watching for the drop to 30-minute fair value gap like this. And then we will try to look for setup. Once again, for me, it's very important to get 3-minute order block for entry. I will long for to all-time high, or invalidation of my long is going to be below 38.88. So maybe it will drop to New York midnight open. Nice rejection from this 3-minute OB, which is not enough, obviously. I need more. Looking at this fair value gap right now. So yeah, I will look for long if it's going to present 3-minute OB for me. It's Friday, I will try with small size, but I would like to try. Alright, like no reason to check gold. Yes, thank you. Right now we are going to stay on gold. Well, guys, look at this rejection. Sorry, guys. From this for order block. Interesting rejection, but obviously not no entry here. Guys, once I'm in trade, I will just show you immediately, so nothing to hide. No, I'm not in trade. But once again, going to hide again. We're expecting this 3-minute order block. Price trying to reject. Preferably to get a bit lower first, like 30-minute fair value gap. Not in trade, as you can see. I will show you, like, guys. Wait for setup. Don't enter blindly. Took long gold 38.99. Okay. From 3-minute OB, right? To aim for 39.02. Oh, you scalp 3 points? Fast enough. So far, I took long over here. This long. Waiting for new long again. To aim for all-time high. All-time high is my target for the day. Let's see if it's going to present opportunity for me to long again. Trying to respect the statement OB, which is once again not part of strategies that I trade. Maybe closure. Let's check 5-minute chart. Same order block on 5. 1-minute inversion. Like, yeah, I see long opportunity here, but it's low probability long. Really don't want to see just pump to all-time high right now. We just got new 3-minute OB. I hate it so much, guys. This 30-minute fair value gaps, like, fair value gap makes a bit more sense. See, did he this? By the way, that's a good point. Let me see. Do we have SMT? We do have this, right? Alright, we have like strong SMT at this lows. We got new 3-minute order block, by the way, over here. Gold long. Honestly, I would like to long for a bit lower price. It's just too high for me to long here. Like, once again, what is better? Like, just what is better? To long right now? Like this? Risking 13 points, by the way. Or it's better to get long from here with stop loss. I know like about stop loss, but it's going to be something like this. See? I would say second option is millions times better. So that's why I don't want to enter the trade, whereas stop loss is equal target profit. Like, it's 1 hour trade. This is what I like, guys. Once again, we can get right now reversal, but it's too high for me to engage. Exactly, it could be just chasing the price. This is how I see this as well. You're still holding your trade, but you entered like not here, so you're good. Once again, there is a chance to get right now immediate push to previous day high level because structure is bullish. We got SMT, we got reaction from T-minute OB, but it's not going to be safe entry at all. But retracement to this 30-minute fair value gap, back to discount, break below 50% once again of this move up. Sounds like a dream, right? Like perfect, amazing. Like, I know how to describe this. But in reality, what can happen? Just straight move up. It's clearly a market maker buy model, second stage of the accumulation right now. Yeah. Yes, I traded Asia. This setup. Then I went to bed. Obviously, like at 11 p.m. I didn't see any long simply because I was sleeping. And I took long over here. This I missed a straight. I took here. 3 points higher. Let's check in Q while we're waiting for gold. As you can see, we got strong rejection from early order block on both yes and Q. The very last levels they have for move higher on NQ is forced and deviation. So basically same levels we discussed yesterday. Like I had two plans today. First plan is we drop into this early fair value gap. I will look for long like this, like it's first plan. Something like this. Or second plan, which is also valid, I would say, is going to be oops. Second plan probably is going to be closure above the swing high, which is on 15-minute chart, which is not order block, just swing high. I will look for long then. The same target. Can we pump like 180 points today? Who actually knows? First plan is 10 times better than second plan. Would like to get something like this first. So I cannot say like I'm like bearish on the day, but I don't mind to see like really almost 200 points drop first. In Q. I mean, in Q. It's in Q. By the way, right now trying to compare structure on ES and Q. ES still bullish, but in Q offered first bearish sign for me, which is by the way cool. But let me see 1 second. 50 points. Okay, I would say short will be possible if ES right now will offer shift in structure to downside. Short will be possible on ES and Q to TX 972. So this short will be possible once ES will offer shift in structure to downside. So I will keep you updated with this move down. So yes, we have 3-minute order block on NQ. Yes, we are going to have giveaway. And we have right now first sign of short on NQ to aim for like 150 points, like to make 150 points on the short. But first idea is to wait for ES to form shift and structure to downside as well. So short will be possible at this point. So I will trade ES then. Because of news at 10. We are not going to have news at 10. I believe. Today is going to be day with no news at all. Because of government shutdown. Okay, so far what we can see, guys, we got aggressive entry. I mean setup for entry for long to aim for all-time high, which is not makes any sense to aim for 1 hour. So risk is too high to take this long, but risk is way better to take long from retracement to the 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, gold, please just retrace for us. We will enter this long. We will kill this for like solid 30 points. Don't be like this right now. Just retrace for us. We are going to long this. I mean, yeah, once again, ES still extremely bullish. That's why no shorts possible just yet on Q. I may consider short. Once again, I don't expect like to get huge drop, but I may consider short if ES will offer shift and structure to downside. Right now, like overall my plan, long this setup or this setup. 2 plans. Let's see how it's going to play today. Fake news only. Yes. Long or long. Preferable to get this long. I'm going to repeat this again. Fake news and scam. I mean, maybe. You feel like we are going to have news. I mean, we will see. 15 minutes. It's only 9:45. We have lots of time, guys. Look at this move up. Okay. I don't absolutely, once again, even in hindsight, I would never ever take this long here. Extremely bad idea to long here, but extremely good idea to get set up from here, from discount again. Yeah, guys, we have news in 15 minutes. While we are waiting for news, ask questions. Let's talk about maybe models that I trade. Maybe you have questions about this. Which first percent fair value gap? I don't use first percent fair value gap at all. I give up on NQ as well. I'm just trying to find entry on ES because I'm still friend with ES. You don't use inversions? I mean, from time to time I use inversion for a value gap to confirm second stage of market maker model. Not as my entry, but as a confirmation. I'm from Belarus, so I'm half Belarusian, half Russian. What is my risk on 50K account? So $300, $350. Like between $300 and $350 is my risk on 50K 20 accounts. I don't risk more. Are you single? I mean, I don't have boyfriend. I have husband. Yeah, I know CRT is pretty much similar to this setup. No, I never studied this, but I know it's pretty much similar, right? Then you fine. How to understand your trading style? You just need screen time, cute pets. Yeah, I have 2 pets. Actually 3. On CL, not really. I wouldn't say like I gave up on CL. Just CL recently quite choppy to me. I just see like I can make more money. Dog, cat. Nope, my kids. So I just see I can make a bit more money on gold, maybe silver, maybe ES, and trading CL. I just don't like CL overall. I don't know why. Yes, exactly, Jessica. Any entry on gold? Maybe long is going to be from this tournament fair value gap to previous day high, all-time high. So I'm going to do giveaway today. Oh, by the way, let's start giveaway while we are waiting, right? So we don't need to wait anymore. We are going to start giveaway. I forgot about it. It's my bad. 1 second. Where is Google? Google form. One second. I'm going to fix something in Google form. Well, guys, while we are waiting for my form, I'm going to do a quick announcement for this giveaway. First, you need to register your account so you can participate only if you have account. Like, sign up. Don't buy any accounts. Sign up using this link. Just create account. If you already have account, you don't need to do anything. Second, you have to be on stream until 11 here. Alright, here's the link, guys, to create account. Alright, just create account. I will give you 5 minutes to create account. It's fast. Like your name, your last name, your email, and that's it. Alright. Create. Check restricted countries. If your country in a restricted list, please don't participate. That's first that I ask. Be on stream and create account. If you already have account, don't do anything. Like, don't do anything. Alright, here's the link. Here is the link. I'm going to post right now in a moment. I will pin message, guys. 1 second. Okay, paste 2x50k. No, just take Profit Trader. It's going to be better. TPT evaluations, and here's the link. Alright, guys, here's a link to participate in giveaway. I pinned message. Just fill the form and that's it. I will give you 2 50Ks and one 150K account. So people voted for this. Fill the form. Funding ticks, I did this on Tuesday, so maybe we'll do next week funding ticks and funded next futures. Yeah. Hello, hello. If you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, fill the Google form, pinned message in the chat. But before this, create account with Take Profit Trader. Just sign up, like your username, like last name, first name, and email. Here's a link to create your account, guys. Please create your account. So another rule, once we will start picking the winner, I will post winner, I will send message here in the chat with winner, and you have to say it's you. If we are not going to get any answer, we are going to pick another winner, okay? $300K account trader, I mean, to pass this fast, just don't buy 300K accounts. Please. I mean, 300K account does not make any sense. Okay, you're going to pass this, but in order to get payout, you need to pass this like again. To pass this again. It will take forever to get payout. Please. Don't get 300K. It does not make any sense. This accounts, like, I don't know why they even like sell this kind of option. If you want to get with bigger size, then go to 150K. Just think about this. Yeah, you can pass this, like you can pass this for one day, trading like huge amount of contracts. But in reality, in order to get payout, it will take like forever. Yeah, include yes, include this ads. Or I can do this on my own. Like it's up to you. Not necessary, but if you want. As I said before, on gold I still would like to see the tracement down to long this. You have two 300Ks. I mean, trade exactly same strategy if you're trying to pass this, just with bigger size. I mean, like 5 mini contracts. It just... I will never buy 300K accounts. I have some 150K accounts on Tradify and Take Profit Trader. I mean, it takes also like time to build a buffer. 50K is way to go. Your husband of your best boyfriend. I mean, he's in the chat, by the way. I saw him. Yeah. So we got shift in structure to downside. Let's see if it can offer some momentum to downside for us to go to 38, 92, 94. By the way, I saw someone on YouTube used indicator how to calculate position size. So I count this, I calculate this in my mind. Also, sometimes I use like paper trading, so I place like entry and just trying to drag like brackets to see how much I'm going to risk. So sometimes I do this as well. But yeah, most of the time in my mind. You need my live story. One day I will share with you guys. Well, guys, it's 9:56. Let's see what will happen at 10. I mean, he trades sometimes, but I cannot call him like trader. I do like to see all-time high today or on Sunday, but please retrace. We can long this. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, fill the form, Google form, put message in the chat. Do you love your husband? I live with him for almost 10 years. That's a great question. Yeah, interesting questions. Yeah, it's Friday, guys. Market is kind of slow right now, unfortunately. Uh, oh, NQ, I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, let's see what ES going to offer us right now. Maybe it will offer our idea. I like this drop here. I like that it formed 3-minute order block. Once again, I have no interest in trading in Q, only ES. So I don't want to see like 14 points drop on ES. It's not potential sweep here, but just logical entry, I guess. Let's see how big risk. That's exactly 2R. 7 points to make 14 points. What about NQ at this point? On NQ, I have no idea. Like, really, guys, I have no idea about setup on NQ. Maybe something on 1 minute chart. Hard to say. But on NQ, I don't want to see 975, 972, 973 retest. And so far, just maybe I would like to see 67, 66. But I'm not on trade. I'm just trying to analyze and see what I like more. Maybe 7 points. What kind of level we hit right now? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check this. Is it all-time high? Yes. So basically we made new all-time high. We have SMT, which is perfect confirmation. We have SMT. We got strong rejection right after this, confirmed by 3-minute order block. On NQ would like to see lower, but I have no idea about like. I know about the injury. On NQ, like really have no idea about the entry. I like this drop overall, great drop. On NQ, I have no idea where to enter on NQ. Like really. Oh, by the way. Indicators. If you would like to use same indicators I use, just go on my YouTube. I have video about this. It calls ICT indicators or something like this. Would like to get 100 points drop on ES. I started giveaway. If you would like to participate in giveaway, fill the form. Can you play some Russian music? I mean, on background? I think so. Yeah, I like my current music as well. It's great. So as you can see in Q, just entered TJF. This blue box is TJF box, so basically 20-30% retracement range. For this model, do you consider high time frame bias? Of course. I watched video about this on my YouTube channel. You want to dance? Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to share with you video about models that trade, because everything on my YouTube channel. 1 second. Going to post link right now. Here's a video about models that trade on ES, on gold and silver. So, for example, this always when I execute PM session or when I trade ES, I use this model as well. Right now, the main question if NQ can drop to 973. I will announce winners at 11, guys. Yeah. You have time to participate, guys. If you enjoyed and would like to participate in a giveaway, fill the Google form. That's pretty much it. I'm watching gold right now, nothing I like there, but on NQ we hit TJF, would like to see ES lower to hit TJF as well. And if ES is going to drop to this level, by the way, which is exactly 2R from the entries we discussed before, we'll take 973 on ES, on NQ, not on ES. What's up is the new suspension block. Guys, I have no idea what is this, really. I know ICT dropped this video a couple of days ago, but really, I have no idea what is this. Trying to look for projections on NQ. So the very last move up before reversal was here. Yeah, probably like it. Continuation lower. Go to tracing. Yes, I put alert. I set alert at the level where I would like to see the tracement. Just garbage consolidation there, unfortunately. I set alert. We're gonna see. Once again, when I was talking about like short, I only saw short on ES. Once again, even in hindsight, I have no idea where to enter on NQ. Like, if you entered straight on NQ, share with me where did you see entry. Just interested. Maybe I'm missing something. Like 1 minute chart, like 1 minute OB. Who is short on NQ? Just tell me. That's interesting. Just what entry point? Where did you enter? Why? I'm just interested in this. Like, why? Because in hindsight, in real time, I saw absolutely nothing to short on NQ. That's why I'm asking. What did you use for entry? 954. Okay. Oh, idea of breakaway gap. Right? Is breakaway gap? It's like not really breakaway gap. 851. Like conversion. Oh, 1 minute order block. Okay, alright. Like, once again, I like ES like 10 times more than NQ. But once again, in order to short ES, I need to see NQ offering better structure. In order to short NQ, I need to see ES is offering better structure as well. Short from 117. Okay, I see. You use probably 3 minute OB as your entry, right? Alright. Where is your target? Because right now inside CGF on NQ, can you expect reaction right now? First, okay, got it. Yeah, in hindsight, like, yeah, I see 1 minute order block as an entry over here. Waiting for long on US. I mean, we will see. So far, we have SMT at highs. NQ hit TJF, so basically 20% of victory range. What ES did? The test of 3-minute fair value gap, like here. That's pretty much it. First, can you give me the price, please? So I don't need to look for this. I'm just trying to see if your level lines up with levels that I have to compare. Because next level on NQ is 018 and 973. Just interesting to compare with your idea. London high SMT with ES. Once again, guys, just trying to see how many people fill the form. If you would like to participate in giveaway to get a chance to be in 250k or 150k evaluation from Take Profit Trader, fill the Google form. I'm watching gold, guys. Yes, I see everything there. That's great move down. Let's see if it's going to test 92, 90 area. I said alert. I will keep you updated. I like this move down. Pretty much exactly what I expected to get. This area, we need to test 50% of, or like lower quadrant of this fair value gap. Take Profit Trader has daily payouts. Exactly right, which I absolutely in love with. Gold drop, but not enough. We are looking for 30-minute fair value gap. Remember this. $2 is the way to go. I'm going to repeat this over and over again. If you don't know what level you'd like to aim for and you don't know how to hold trade longer, just aim for $2. Trail your stop loss to break even once it's up once you up 1.5R. So guys, at this point, it will teach you patience and how to hold your trade until TP. Once again, you're not going to aim for liquidity levels. You're going to aim for $2. Sometimes it's going to be 10 points. Sometimes it's going to be 5 points. But once again, your task is to wait for $2, and that's it. Nothing else. So far, I'm sitting with one trade only on gold. We discussed this before already. Like, this long, which helped me to make $600, and that's it. Like, once again, see, I have no FOMO. Like, okay, perfect. I closed here for $2 once again, and yes, it went like almost 17 points higher. No FOMO. I feel absolutely good about this. I follow my rules. I close the trade where I had to close the trade. Guys, fill the form to participate in giveaway. Fill the form. So NQ has room to go lower to 018 and 973. Let's see how we're going to respect TJF and 2.5 standard deviation range. Strategy to trade on gold is here. I trade gold and ES and silver. I don't trade in Q. I stopped trading in Q at all 2 months ago. Like, at all. Here's a video for strategy. Well, look, how I trail my stop loss. I explained this in my video as well, but I'm going to repeat this again. In order to trail my stop loss to break even, I'm going to see if I'm up 1.5 R. If I'm up 1.5 R, I'm trailing my stop loss to break even and just wait. Or in order to prevent like stop loss, once again, stop loss is a part of the game. But when I see once I enter the trade, and funny to say this, but according to this model, we should see immediate move in our favor, or at least 5 minutes after we enter the trade, we want to see it's moving in our favor. But if, let's say, if once we enter the trade, it starts consolidating, just chop, ugly consolidation, I normally cut my trade at this point and just wait for another entry. Because when I see after my entry it's consolidation, 5 minutes after it's still consolidation, most likely it will hit stop loss. How about gold? I discussed gold, like still waiting for the test of 94, 92 area. Entry is going to be, if I want to long on gold, I will use 3-minute OB and 3-minute OB only. I will try to long. Yeah, exactly. I agree with your point about just find something that repeats over and over and over again. If you have different sources for income, it's easier to hold. Exactly right. This is how our psychology works, right? Gold entry, no entry yet. So our idea for long, I mean, we drop exactly where we want to see. We will long to previous day high level after price will offer 3-minute order block. Not before this. Our long is going to be based on 3-minute OB. We must wait for 3-minute order block to form. But right now, I like this move down. As I said, like this long didn't make any sense at all. So let's see if it's going to present, like my alert just went off. All right. Let's see if it's going to present 3-minute order block. I will try long then. So far, I do like... My bad, guys. I do like how it dropped here. That's brilliant. If you shorted this like off 3-minute OB, that's okay. But once again, considering overall bias, still a bit more bullish. That's why I said I will just wait for move down. Pretty much what is going on here. Let's see if 3-minute order block is going to be presented here. Talking about ES and NQ. ES and NQ trying to respect... I cannot say yes, but NQ trying to respect 2 and 2.5. Standard deviation range and TJF. So let's see what kind of rejection is going to be. Reaction. Not rejection, reaction. Also, guys, once again, I'm going to repeat this again. In order to trade models that I trade on gold, watch this video. Also, I can send you a PDF for this. If you want, I'm going to send PDF for this. But it's going to be like pretty much similar PDF, but without me there. sweep model over here. Okay, you opened October 2nd. Going to send you link for PDF as well. Here's the PDF, guys. If you want to download this, just print this PDF. Exactly same PDF that I used for my video, but just if you want to print this, print this. New York Midnight Open, by the way. Oh yeah, we got a test of New York Midnight Open. New York Midnight Open, by the way, is a great magnet for price. All right, here's this level. Can I ask, say you are on 1 hour chart and price trades down into 4 hour fair value gap. You recommend using 50-minute structure for trading the action from this. Okay, up to you. You want to trade market maker model, you want to get like entire move, first stage, second stage, or you want to just get like me, quick entry, quick exit, which is, for example, just potential sweep. What do you want to trade? And I will tell you what I think about this. I don't think like ICT has video about like turtle soup. Scalp entry. Okay. So when we have our fair value gap, definitely we will have something inside this for our fair value gap on 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart or hourly chart, right? So you want to switch on these time frames. Once again, you see we hit for our fair value gap. That's great. That's brilliant. You want to switch on 15-minute chart and see if we have something on 15-minute chart. Maybe it's going to be order block, maybe another fair value gap. But your idea for scalp, like I do, for example, if we hit for fair value gap, I always switch on these time frames, 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly, and I see if we have PDR inside this fair value gap. If so, I will use 30-minute or hourly potential sweep as reaction from these PDRs, like fair value gap, order block, old liquidity level, and I will trade this, like 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB. I will trade micros, yes. It's Friday, so what's the point to trade big size? No reason. So no, the short was in play from here. I mean, it hit this fair value gap trying to reverse. I hope this part makes sense. It's like idea. I'm going to type in the chat for our fair value gap. Look for PDR inside this fair value gap using 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour charts, and reaction is going to be confirmed by 30-minute. P is going to be potential or 1 hour sweep. This is how you want to use this idea. No longs on gold yet. We are waiting for order block to form. So that's your rule. So I hope I answered your question. Well, guys, we just got the minute OB. Let's see if you're going to get in. Let me delete this for now. So we got 30-minute fair value gap. We got 3-minute OB. So basically, we got down close candle, right? So we got retracement to OT. OTM, how big range here? 8 points. All right, let's see. I'm going to see, since we got 9 points range, if price is going to trace back to this order block. Pretty much we did. Let's see if we can get entry. So idea for this trade is to stay above 50% of this order block to try to long. Not in trade yet. I will let you know. I'm watching for the trade right now as well, so you're not alone with this. It's pretty much what I was expecting to get. How many breakers? Like 5, 4. Let me think about entry while we're waiting. For the tracing back down to 50%. Like 6 points. Okay, let's see. What I'm watching right now, how price respect 50%. You know, 50% of for order block, not fair value gap, is strong support or resistance. So below 50%, it's not going to be strong OB anymore. Normally, when we have like just one single candle for order block, price tends to retrace to 50% again. So let's see if we get the trade here. Not right now. Let's see if it's going to test 50% first. So once again, idea is to risk not more than $300 per trade. But first, we are going to wait for order block to retest order block 50%. 3 indicators: ICT, high frame candles by FADI. Let's check micro gold real quick. Same. Okay. Yes, order block formed. We got order block with displacement. So let's see. Displacement candle over here. I'm waiting for 50% retest, and reaction will be my entry. You're welcome. Short link. I mean, it's easy to find this, so I don't think it's a problem. If you would just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, fill the form, Google form, pinned message in the chat to participate in Take Profit Trader accounts giveaway. I'm only interested in longs on gold, showing for all-time high, but first I'm looking for price to retrace to 50%. If reaction from 50%, I will try to long. Stop loss, not sure about stop loss yet, but we will see. Mean threshold, exactly. No, when we have one single candle as order block, price tends to retrace to 50%. Or it's going to displace right now. I will just probably trade this without waiting for 50%. Sunday night, from time to time, not always. I check. I check when I see like okay, like setup is here. I'm going to try this to trade, maybe with smaller size or so. But yes, I do this. I'm a bit choppy right now, so just trying to compare with micro gold. I will use imminent order block for entry, so basically current order block. It's around like probably 9 point stop loss, so I will trade with smaller size. Not sure about stop loss yet. I will show you guys once I'm in trade. Nothing to hide. Did we get the closure? Not yet over here. I need to see this retest, guys. Retest of 50% and then long. Or displacement. I mean displacement with new order block. It's also going to work for me to enter the trade. You're in trade? I'm not yet. Not yet. Like really plan is long entry, long all the way up to all-time high. How many points stop loss? I'm not sure about stop loss. It's around like 6-7 points or so. We'll trade with 4 micros. Not going to put limit order, just going to use market order. Below this level. So far looks yeah, I know. I'm just thinking, okay, if it's going to just go higher without chasing this entry, where can the enter the trade? Like ignoring this 50% then. Yeah, I will use another 3-minute order block. Okay, let's say it's not going to retrace. It's okay. I will use just another order block for entry. It will confirm like no distance to retrace to this area. $15-minute for a volume gap. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see this. I'm not in a rush right now. Would like to get longs today. I know, guys, maybe I'm wrong with my bias. I would like to see previous day high today. That was what I was talking about earlier. What did you talk about? I guess I missed this. Can you please repeat this? Um, um, yes, thank you. What's wrong with you guys? Look at this, guys. Like, we got pretty much still basic structure. But pretty much basic structure on NQ, but look at the yes. I mean, really? Giveaway is over. No, it's not over. Like, simply message in the chat. I will do giveaway. I will run giveaway in 20 minutes. Yes, exactly. New. This is what I will use for entry. If it's not going to reach the 50%, the test an order like long for me, then I will wait for new order block to form. I will try this. YM was amazing. I mean, it was straight move up since market open. What is going on? Still flat, guys, on Project X. I'm up on my other accounts. So once again, this account for streams only. Still no trades here. I'm waiting for the test of 50%. Scam gain. Scam again. Yeah. You in long on yes? Or what? Once I'm in trade, I will show you immediately, so nothing to hide. Do you have live account? You mean with prop firms? Not yet, because I have new prop firms. August wasn't perfect for me, so I blew most of my accounts. So I'm doing like it's from the very beginning again. So obviously not live yet. Unfortunately. I mean, not unfortunately, I don't really care about this. I don't think I need to care about this. You long on gold. All right. I told you my point. Did you get payout? Of course. I did. Just right now, I'm building the buffer from the very beginning. So I'm going to request next week payout with funding ticks. I hope so. Yeah. If nothing is going to change. Like, I mean, I hope so. With TradingView, I'm still building the buffer. With Epics, I want to request this month 40k. So basically 2k from each account. So far, I'm up 1200 there per account. So I need to make... I would like to have 4k buffer there. So to request 40k, I hope this month. With Take Profit Trader, I requested a couple of days ago. What else? With my funded futures, building the buffer on scale plan. Losing accounts, I was trading in Q. Simple, right? In Q. 40k, yeah, I would like to request 40k by the end of this month with Epics. Like 2k per account, so multiply by 20, it's 40k. Yeah, blue accounts trading in Q. True story. Yeah, gold is about to offer new 3-minute order block, so it will be nice to see. Guys, winners are going to be announced in 20 minutes for giveaway. On gold, I'm still watching for the test of 38.95, and if it's going to offer the action, I will try this long. As said before, if it's going to close below this level, I call this level of invalidation. Oops. So this level is going to be invalidation of longs. So let's see. Today I also announced my breakup with NQ. Why I didn't didn't do this before? I mean, have you made 4K? No, I'm up 1,200 there, $1,200. I took 3 trades there only, so. I trade only in Q. I mean, once again, I just not friend with in Q. Once again, guys, in order to participate in giveaway, you need to create account first. Just sign up, username, I know, like last name, first name, using this link. Just take Profit Trader to create account, and I'm going to announce winners in 20 minutes. So first, you cannot enter twice or more than 2 times, and you need to be on stream. So I will post your name. You're going to say, it's me, I'm here. I will say, perfect, amazing. Some people from restricted countries, I know. Gold still trying to retrace to 50%. I'm here, yeah. Do you trade London? No, I trade Asia. If you have account, don't do anything. Just wait. Fill the form. Fill the form, that's it. So once again, invalidation of longs is going to be below 38, 95.9. Below this level. It's about to retest. That's why I said when we have one single candle solar block, normally we're trying to retrace back to 50%. At the 11 in Q will expand. Who knows? Who knows? I know. I assume I should get TradeZella if I want to get better. I mean, why? No. You don't need to buy anything to get better. Just trust me. I don't want to learn new PDRs to trade in Q. I'm done. So you have a bit data on TradingView to backtest this. TradeZella, yes, great tool for backtesting. I am certainly in love with this. With FX replay, you can have free 7 days for free, right? Trial to try this. Live backtesting this week. I mean, today's Friday. I'm not sure, but guys, we can schedule live backtesting if you want. So I already have video about backtest, like how backtest this model, but we can schedule like 1 day. I'm not sure when it's going to be, just to backtest gold together, like 1 week. It's going to be like 2 hours, so it's going to be like long. Did all 3 indices? No, only NQ reached 50%. Not 50, 20%. Right now it's moving higher, so it didn't reach 20%. It's moving higher simply because we got new high of the week. No. YM and ES never hit TJF. This week, today's Friday, it's impossible like to schedule something this week. You know, I'm busy during weekend always. Oh, I mean, I didn't trade in Q with this model at all. Gold stuck inside consolidation so far. It's very important to see this retest for me. That's why I'm sitting on my hand so far. Okay, guys, less than 20 minutes left to announce winners. So I would say I didn't take lots of trades this week. I feel like this week overall was quite choppy on gold, but it's okay. Different season on them. Yeah. For giveaway, see pinned message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up. You will see giveaway. Just click this link. Do you have Discord? I don't anymore. Hello, hello. Very important comment. Where I'm from? Do you think so? This kind of question I'm going to get soon. Yeah, I will think about this. I mean, like, someone asked me about, like, one-on-one mentors. I'm like, me? One-on-one? Like, no thank you. I need help from time to time as well. Are you from Belarus? Yes, I am. Alright guys, let's see. It's still trying to test this level. See how struggling it is right now. But once again, it's very important to understand when I'm going to cover this in my new video about order blocks. But it's very important to get like retracement once we got single candle and when we have potential sip to 50%. So as you can see, if I would enter here, right now it's inside chop. So chop means I need to cut the trade. We don't have valid order block just yet. I mean, depends how much data you want to collect. With TradingView, you can have up to 20,000 candles data. This means on 3-minute chart, it's going to be around like 2 months data or so. 20k candles. Yeah, I think like 2 months data with 3-minute chart. You can start with this if you want. But I don't live in Belarus. I was born there. I moved 10 years ago. I have US passports, so... Why your screen is not... it's bad quality? If I want to long, once again, I need to see test. I will try to long this. To aim for a new highs day. I don't know why my screen is not clear. It should be okay, I guess. I can make this bigger, so maybe that's why. Where is this? Yeah, you know, I hate bright colors, right? Okay, guys, 10 minutes to enter giveaway. In 10 minutes, I will announce winners. And I'm going to stay in PM session. I hope ES will offer something for me during PM session, because it was kind to me this week. So for small scalps, so far I took pre-market long, I took Asia short. I have 2 trades. Hope to get something else, but as you can see, since market open, pretty much gold did nothing good, like pretty much chop. ES, on ES we got solid move today, honestly. Like in hindsight, even in real time, we got some retracement down, like it was 10 points. We got news at 10. And right after this, look at this. Pretty much we got volatility today, if I want to compare this with gold. I stream PM session at 12:30 PM, but on Tradify TV. Here's the link. I'm going to stream. I'm not alone there. I stream with another girl. We trade completely 2 different strategies. And we trade ES. We both trade ES. I'm going to stream there. PM session. So I trade once again ES only. I don't even look at gold there. Only ES. Okay, guys. Less than 10 minutes left to announce winners. Rebecca is nice, by the way. We trade completely 2 different strategies. And I love how she uses limit orders, because I cannot do this. I don't know why it's hard for me to put limit orders. Sometimes I do this, but in prop firms it says, I mean, yes, Russian people and Belarusian people cannot trade with most prop firms, but I mean, I guess I'm in Florida. She never cut me, by the way. Maybe I didn't notice this, but I don't feel like this. Like, well, guys, since we have lots of people today on Steam, type 1 in the chat if you want to see live backtest session next week. 2 if you don't want to see this. Just interesting how many people interested in backtest, because we are going to schedule backtest 4 or 5. Then I'm not even surprised, you know. We are going to schedule this instead of like stream, I guess. It's going to be gold. We are going to backtest this together to see how it goes, and so on. I will think about the day. It's going to be maybe Friday. But we are going. It's good idea, simply because we are going to do this. I'm going to do this in real life. In real time, you're going to ask questions. Back test session next week. I just will think about the day. I will let you know on Monday. We'll test like 1 week probably there. Asia stream. It's another goal to start Asia stream, simply because, guys, I have kids. Bitcoin hit what? It's new high. Oh my god. I mean, Bitcoin hit new all-time high again. Who's trading Bitcoin, guys? Who's like long-term investor? Really? Over 8? Right now it's like 4,500. Okay. On gold, we never got reaction from 50% yet. Do we have order block? I don't think so. 3-minute order block. I remember first time when we invested to crypto, it was 2016. Yeah. 8 is enough, you know. Why are you trading gold right now? We never got the test of this level. It's just chop exactly. It's best description of price action on gold right now. No trades here. Depends who's asking, I guess. I remember my husband told me the story. Like he said, like long time ago, someone paid for pizza using bitcoins. It was like 30 bitcoins or 50 bitcoins for just one pizza, and like it's very expensive pizza recently. But yeah, imagine to pay like for pizza a long time ago, like 30, 50 bitcoins. Yeah. Oh, it was even more. Okay. Oh, okay. 20,000. Okay. What? Oh, okay. My bad, guys. It was 10K. Oh, crazy. It was... I think it was expensive pizza. He could find cheaper option. $10K. Okay, guys. My bad. Thank you. September 20th National... I hate pepperoni pizza. It's just how people eat it. Oh my god. It was like 15 years ago. Okay. It did. Oh my god. You want to trade off 50% of order block, I said before. Stop eating pizza. I mean, I love, but it's quite spicy. That's why I don't like this. How people eat it, I don't know. Well, guys, let's do giveaway. Since market is born right now, time for giveaway. Next week I will do more giveaways, so don't worry if you're not going to win today. Alright, let me share the screen for giveaway and let me hide my camera, I guess. Okay, we have 3 accounts for giveaway, 466, alright. First 2 winners, it's going to be 50k accounts, and last one is going to be 150k. Okay, 45. First winner going to hot with green for 50k. We have first winner who won 50k a while from Take Profit Trader. Second winner is 284. Guys, do we have winners in the chat? So first two people is 50k winners. Perfect, perfect. And last winner is going to be 150k. Such a scam. My bad, my bad. 149. Okay, guys, are you in chat right now? Double interest. I will do this right after Steam. I see first. Yes, I see winners here. Yes, yes, yes. I see. I see. Another scam. Okay, guys, you're going to receive account either today or on Monday. Depends how Take Profit Trader work. How fast Take Profit Trader. Huge scam. Guys, come on. Also, winners, make sure you have account with Take Profit Trader. There, yes, they let me know. So make sure you have account with Take Profit Trader created. So if I'm going to send information to Take Profit Trader, you need to have email. Okay, give me 1 second. Once again, winners, please make sure you have account. Here's the link. I'm going to post 3 times. Yeah, Take Profit Trader sent me email and they said you received accounts. So Funding Six and Take Profit Trader winners already should have accounts. Tradify winners, which from yesterday you're going to receive account right after stream. You can like claim your win today or on Monday or on Sunday. And for Take Profit Trader, either today or on Monday. Not sure. I mean, NQ looks a bit more bearish comparing with ES. Gold just stuck inside consolidation. Okay, guys, next week I will do more giveaways. It's once again, it's Friday, boring price action. We got perfect price action during pre-market. I will wait. Well, can you go on your account and find credit option? Maybe you have credit there. Click this link. So you should receive account 100%. It should be on your account already. Just claim the credit. It's simple answer. I don't trade ES and NQ. Guys, I'm going to stream on Tradify TV. Just quick reminder. I'm going to stream PM session and we'll try to trade ES and ES only. There at 12:30 p.m. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching me today. I will be done for this session. I just don't see any reason anymore to look for chop because we have consolidation right now. I will look for PM session trades and I will see you guys later on Tradify TV. Thank you so much for watching me. Enjoy your day. Yeah, almost 2 hours without me. Yeah, congratulations, winners. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Wish you a perfect weekend.